Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming basics. If Rockstar services are down, nothing will sync. Check your platform login and cloud status, then free up space and confirm the game can write to save folders. Once done, restart the game, the launcher, and your router or modem to clear transient network states. Try creating one offline save to ensure local saving works. These first steps isolate whether the issue is account, server, or your device, so you know what to tackle next. Now you move into the core fixes. Handle sync conflicts by backing up all local save files before any merge. Once saved, decide whether to replace cloud data or merge changes based on timestamps. Next, reauthorize cloud access by unlinking and relinking your Rockstar Social Club or platform account. This refreshes tokens and clears permission issues. Then verify game files through the launcher. If corruption appears, reinstall the launcher rather than the whole game to preserve data. These steps restore a clean sync path. Finish by forcing a manual upload. Create a fresh save, then use the launcher's sync or cloud upload option to push it. If that fails, collect logs, include timestamps, save file names, and launcher logs, and contact Rockstar support for account-level fixes. Make sure to try restoring a backed-up local save and test without cloud enabled to keep progress safe. One key troubleshooting tip. If uploads keep failing, disable automatic cloud sync. Preserve backups and only re-enable cloud after support confirms your account tokens are fixed.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.